In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account on Bill.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what information you need, and how to complete the process confidently without getting stuck on any of the screens. Let's start from the very beginning, on the Bill.com home screen. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option. This is usually found in the main navigation bar or under your profile icon depending on whether you're on desktop or the mobile app. Go ahead and open the Settings page because this is where all your account-level controls live, including your payment methods. Inside Settings, you'll see a section labeled Bank and Payment Accounts. This is the area that controls how money moves in and out of your Bill.com account. Click on Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page that lists any bank accounts you've already connected, or it might be blank if you're adding one for the first time. On this Bank Accounts page, look for an option to add a new account. On desktop, this might be a button that says Add Bank Account. In the mobile app, it could appear as a plus sign in the corner of the screen. Tap or click that option to start the setup process for your new bank. At this stage, Bill.com may ask you to verify your identity. This is a standard security step to protect your account and to comply with banking regulations. Be ready to enter your legal personal information, such as your full legal name and your home address, exactly as they appear on official documents. Taking a moment to double-check spelling and details here can help avoid delays with verification later. Next, you'll choose how you want to verify the bank account. Select the option that says Verify in 1-2 business days. This option allows you to enter your bank routing number and your account number manually. Carefully type in the routing number first, then your account number, and review both before moving on. Any typo here can cause the verification deposits to fail, so it's worth taking your time. After that, you'll be asked to confirm that you have authority to sign on this bank account. This means you're authorized to use it for business payments and transfers. Read the statement on the screen and confirm if it applies to you. Finally, once everything looks correct, select Finish and then choose I'm done. Bill.com will then initiate the standard verification process, usually by sending small test deposits to your bank within a couple of business days. Once those arrive and you confirm them inside Bill.com, your bank account will be fully set up and ready to use.